Okay, I'm going to show you how I'm going to repair my Ford Endgate. This cap came off. It's a second-hand Endgate that I bought from a wrecker, right? And that cap is the original one from my original Endgate. So, but the damn thing, see here, there's these plastic clips. There's only 2 of them left. 1, I guess 3, but broken. They all broke off. One thing about it, the Ford Endgate, it's got these round holes in it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use push pins that you would use on an ATV plastic bodywork. I already drilled the holes in the top of this cap, 3 of them to mate with those, and I already checked, they line right up. I backed off these Torx screws here to lift this guy up. So I'm just going to fit this together. Pop in these push pins. Now that's going to fix it. It's not going to be pretty, but it's in place. My holes are all lined up. So, let's see if we can get these things in. So, like so. I think once that's in there, it's going to hold. That's in there tight. Okay. And this one goes in this tight. It's kind of the key to this whole fix. There we are. Okay. Those are snug. That thing shouldn't come off again. Now, if I just snug these down, no, that one doesn't. This doesn't tighten up, but there we are. These push pins, I guess you call them. That's going to hold her down. So let's just close this up, this end gate, and see what it looks like here. Huh. Nice. That looks like it was supposed to be. Those push pins don't even look out of place. There you go. That's a 2-minute fix on a Ford Endgate plastic cap.